Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to backup and restore configuration in Mikrotik Router. Go to Winbox to log in into Mikrotik Router. We can check before we will make backup in Mikrotik Router had configuration. Go to File. Make copy file to store in your local computer. Protect from risk or someone delete the file. The backup process is finished, so I will reset the Mikrotik Router. The router will reset and reboot and log in automatically when it's done. Please remember that after reset the password will be blank, as only user is admin. After reset, when you log in the first time, it required to change password login. When you open the new terminal, it required to fill user and password. This point you just go to session and select disconnect and log in again. Next time when you open the new terminal, it will not require user and password anymore. Now we start restore the router from backup file. Normally backup file will store in Mikrotik hard drive. If you don't see it, you can upload from your local drive that you just store in your PC. The router will restore and reboot. Now the restore configuration is successfully. Thank you for watching. If you don't mind, please subscribe my YouTube channel to see more videos.